Hey y'all, how y'all doing? You ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Garage, Flip, Garage, The Shed, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle? Hey, Regina Renee. Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Casey, Carolina Hustler? Yeah, have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What kind of stuff is that? Yeah, well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to make a video about what I sold, you know, in the past week. Well, past couple of days. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see the road. Okay, first up, I sold 4 Dove Man Care Ultra Cream, a lot of 4 of those for $12. And I think I paid free shipping on that. Number 2, Hasbro Catchphrase Electronic Music Edition game. $19.80, $6 shipping and handling. I paid $3 for that. Next up, the Vintage Clear Glass Ashtray. $6.40, $5 shipping. It's a real heavy, thick ashtray, y'all. Next up, another piece of Cornyware floral bouquet. It's a loaf pan, 2 quarts. With, you know, make a loaf of bread or make some meatloaf or whatever in this pan. And I just want to tell y'all too, go ahead and pass my video, pass my link around. You know, get more subscribers. I got like 482 subscribers. I'm looking for that 500. So y'all just go ahead and pass it around. Give me that 500, y'all. Y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up too. Next up, I sold, Next up I sold a Cool Tech golf like cooler bag. The whole 10 cans of beer or whatever you want to put in there. I sold that for $14.90, $5 shipping and handling. Next up, I sold a Bernstein Bears Sister Bear. I sold that for $17. I paid 50 cents for that. $17, $5 shipping and handling. Y'all, don't pass those stuffed bears and stuff up. Look at them, see if it got Build-A-Bear on it, and Disney, stuff like that. Just any name brand. Most of the time, I sell with those stuffed bears and stuff. Next up, I had this on there for probably like 12 hours. A 3M Letterman stethoscope. I paid $3 for it. It was on there like 12 hours, and it sold for $48 shipping, $6 shipping and handling. $48. I know they had stethoscopes on there. I'm trying to find one for $300. They got one on there for $300. I'm trying to find that one. You know what I'm saying? But I know I ain't gonna find it. Anyway, next up is a Jensen heavy-duty installation kit for a Bobcat, for a radio and a Bobcat. A Bobcat is a, you know, like a miniature bulldozer. That's what it's like. They call them skid loaders. They got a whole lot of different names for them. Anyway, it's a radio installation kit. I sold that for $120. I had it on eBay for $140. And somebody gave me an offer for $110, and I sent them a counter offer for $120, and he bought it. $8 shipping and handling. Next up is another Viewmaster, Mount Rainier National Park. They paid $15 for it. $2.89 medium mail. Next up is a Briggs and Rowley black nylon expandable laptop bag. Most of the time I pay $4 for bags. I had this one on there so long, I don't know how much I paid for this one, but it's probably $4. I had on there for $65. Somebody offered me $55 and I took it. So it's $55, $10 shipping and handling. Next up is an Abbey, I can't say this name, Perfect Art all 4 truckers hat. $21, I paid $2 for it. Most of the time I pay $2 for my hats. So I paid $2 for it, $6 shipping and handling. Okay, y'all, just went through what I sold the past couple of days. Probably that's 2 days worth of sales. I just went. Okay, y'all, I don't know what happened, but yeah, I just want to make a quick video about what I sold the past couple of days. It's raining now, and you watching this video, I'm trying to get 500 to 500 subs. So you guys pass my subscribe. I mean, pass me around to your friends so they can subscribe and watch my videos so I can get to 500 subs, y'all. Anyway, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I want to say at the beginning of this video that in the comments, whoever give me the 500, well, you ain't gonna know how to give me 500, but make a comment on how you gonna help me get to 500. If I like your comment, I'm gonna send you a gift. You just send me your information. I'm gonna send you a gift. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you what it is. It's gonna be a knife sharpener. I made a video about my knife sharpeners. It's gonna be a knife sharpener. I'm gonna send it to you. So anyway, y'all wear y'all mask. Stay away from COVID-19. Stay away from it. Yeah, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too.